VFP, we don't come to them, and don't supply them materials, everything, don't catch them. Yeah.
But yes, people can back. And there is new in here, we come, I'm meeting it down, but I don't cause problems. So obviously, people say people are supposed to leave the campus now.
That's the lie. Yeah, now, death trap area.
Alright,
death trap. If you don't be, what thing can happen? When this dodgy box, when the machine they send the dodgy down, the water they flop. When the water they flop, in the country, they come and they will say, oh, okay. That's so big. Don't say what.
Yeah, of course, I know you don't say that. Of course, you know. But these are all death trap area. You know, we just go to another news this morning, somebody don't lost, a Delta officer don't lost a family. You know, can you imagine? So these are all state property never very to life. Because of get belong to the state. You know, so the state supposed to protect them. Yeah, it protect your life, you know. So family of course in Acrame, I just a pass now again, and sadly, you know, you see people they pull and thing and come inside. While inside and host them. You see everybody there now, so they watch. You know, I don't come on yonder again, but me not go for go down yonder. No, I don't tire so much. I really don't tire. These are places who don't cover news so many times. Just look at what's happening on the last side from the angle.
I don't come back.
You know, it really
no,
so stay tuned.
Back at the same side back.
Okay, next time, Coca. So if you they can live in that place.
I said I don't find guy, I know good guy. But some get some guys, we get some guys bad guy. So what's happening? Inside in five for live safe because now what's that side guy?
Give them money for
the past government don't skype for them. Give them money.
Okay.
But then go and come back. Come be back at the same side back. Let's no more grand. Happy no.
Alright, okay, thank you. Okay, so I took face the camera. So your name? What is your name?
I'm in for the Kuma.
Okay, for the Kuma. So if you live in the kind, you can just stop putting it there.
Yeah, now danger side. They not for leave yourself. Government will not give them money for let them come here. They not come out there. They not carry the bag. Yes.
Okay.
Next time they for leave the you life. Okay. Sorry for
alright.
For leave that guy side there.
Alright, so from of course, you know, as they say within our camera outside, we don't go down there. I could see and you know, situation really tough. So stay tuned, stay connected. And yeah, so really, this is now August month. But I can already say this August month really, you don't take time because of bad past really the July. So stay tuned, stay connected. You tell Wildlife Park CEO Dominic J.J. Tucker and Wisdom Calm Cost Protection Manual worldwide. Now the channel, just watch out. You see more Wildlife Park videos. Stay tuned. Now, according to which I get now that you know, this particular host, now the situation with this bamboo up to the water level so. And so all inside the white water level on the right up. And this really I really don't see now. But I don't know anything really happen. But anyway, family and this August really is going to do the same thing, just like how you know July don't really cause no problem. I just come on our water inside 4 people really don't die. And just put the volume of water really up. You know, from that particular side, I did right up now the the new road now. You know, at the bomber side, you see bomber now. So you see plenty of people there, so everybody together and really on mind the watch. You know, for see how this community really they go on. And you see so many people and they down there, flash and all. But not people go down there because really I really don't tire and I need to do another thing. But everybody just you know conscious enough and if you're in a disaster prone area, avoid, be careful because you know the country right now really disaster business, not funny. People they block the waterway, people they build a waterway. Can you imagine? Just look at the particular structure again as well. Jam foundation, all that. And then they get for shock one day must collapse. Just like how we will see what we don't collapse until you know. And 4 people and really a Delta police officer with his family. You know, why they lost in family or really. I just call them, tell me saying, you know, if you don't go all the way in Kabbalah because of the accident. So this is the thing again. See the volume of water where they really can down. So people really need to be careful. And you see people on just the building inside when they want for bill. So the states really need to do something. And Salon at the top belt right now we can to disaster prone area. And disaster management agency, they don't send me really, you know, pictures and videos of, you know, the drone where they don't shoot up and assessment when they don't do that all of the area there. And if you want to see me happen, of course, last month, you know, Congoton, go lost one person, we don't take in court. So a lot of, you know, plenty, little landslide and really don't happen, but of course the cargo life and property, as you see people in the pool and property, they're really inside under. They can try to use my phone for Zoom, but really no person will still tell the story. And I'm not going to forget about right now because I'm so tired. And they see people pull and property there really come out the building. But look at this kind of thing, man. Because before me build and kind of place that before I go build and some go to over the man come out, Jabama village. So stay tuned, stay connected. Stay tuned, stay connected. Maybe be on the camera another person, but Dominic JJ Tucker, aka JTL, Wildlife Park. And plenty thank you to go, Okada Rider. We actually, give me the time, for can cover the short needs, see what's all there. Some of them. See the put all over, do the kind of volume of water where they go now, all over, overflow and all. So people need for left, then all in place there. Go to your village, go live there. Instead of they continue for the bill and they can place there, then a death trap. So stay tuned, stay connected. JTL Wildlife. So stay tuned. But for me, man, before I leave the campus, I have to go build a Songo town. To be honest, from Songo to number 2, I tell you, brother, all inside and they no fine. Anyway. So come back here later. I just do this short video. Here in Acrame, of course, and yeah, on a death trap area, water area. And August still, in the camp. I know, you see another group, particular side. See the watermark. Let me just zoom. And you see, all these are so stay tuned, stay connected. More people really can watch, we can see. Of course, this I'm a Okada rider. We just sacrifice when I can see the video. So stay tuned, stay connected, JTL Wildlife.
We brought them, all the people then let nobody know the joy.
But people still continue for the bill. They still continue for the bill.
We don't let all Monday.
Okay, bro. Now that disaster back, I just come up and say this now.
Yes.
That one at Alpha is and that.
Yes.
We went there to lost a web and picking all. 4 people and I they just now. The wall then collapsed. So you see, so they continue for the violent thing. I look that one day, of course, I end up and bail inside.
Yeah, we don't let all Monday.
Of course, this was the bambale water.
WF
see the water? My inside all sweet water they run through. Can you imagine? Somebody just a bill. Wow, like seriously. Yeah, anyway, problem. I think it's me on do JTL Wildlife.